Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because this video is related to Capgemini on-campus hiring 2023 batch is started for the 2023 batch graduates. One of the most important points, so many candidates ask doubt in the DM section of Instagram like when off-campus hiring for the 2023 batch and is there any new phase hiring for 2022 batch or not. This video is very helpful for all of you. You can easily prepare for your exam. Free preparation videos on our channel, and the two roles hiring are there: analyst, senior analyst, 4 LPA or something like more from the Capgemini team, or 7.5 LPA is the senior analyst package. So let's start the video. One of the most important point, like on online learning channel, we provide the latest job opportunities updates video, so you can check the all information. And one of the most important point, as you can see on my screen, that we provide the latest opportunity related to 2023 batch off campus without 60% criteria job. So this jobs is very helpful for all of you. So one of the most important points, so many candidates just mention that the on-campus hiring for the 2023 batch is started from Capgemini, and like when off-campus hiring for the 2023 batch. But I have to clear some of the important point, like they are most probably hire for the two role, like first is analyst role and second is senior analyst role. So the most probably package is 7.5 LPA in the case, and the analyst package is 4 LPA, or it will be changed to some of like 4.2 or 4.3 or 4.1. okay, so this type. So this is all about the roles like for which they are hiring through the on campus, but for the off campus it is also same. okay, but one of the most important point, in the off campus opportunity, the senior analyst hiring is very rare, because for the 2022 batch there is no off campus drive for the senior analyst role. Analyst opportunity is already completed, but there is no senior analyst hiring, so most probably it will be through the on campus mostly. So this is all about the role. And one of the most important point, like in the on campus hiring or off campus hiring, most probably pseudocode, English communication test, game based aptitude and behavioral competency is asked, and this type of questions are there, you have to mention. And this syllabus is from previous year. If there are any changes, it depends on the Capgemini team. So this video is just related to how to prepare for Capgemini 2022 batch examination, but most probably the examination course is like that, like most probably they consider this topic and the pseudocode MCQ based question and all about that. So this is just related to all the important points. So one of the most important point, this video is very helpful for all of you, because we share the free resources like how you can prepare for each round. okay, for the every round, like in the game based aptitude test, what type of question or which type of questions are asked, and there is a complete playlist of Capgemini on our channel, and you can just see that like there are 9 videos that is related to the Capgemini exam preparation, and this is just related to a pseudocode video, so you can check that. This all videos are very helpful for all of you, so you can prepare for the Capgemini exam from these videos, and this all videos are free for you. okay, free for all of you. So this is all about that. So talk about the 2022 batch, there is no information like when they will hire for the, when they will again start the phase 2 for the 2022 batch, but most probably in the month of October to November, I think there is a 2023 batch hiring from the Capgemini team, or most probably if it's a delay, so in the January December to January month. okay, like confirm, like most probably 90% chances are there, like in the December to January there is a hiring. But I think if they will not announce the new hiring for the 2022 batch, so there is a combined hiring for the 23 and 2022. okay, so this is all about the hiring. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section, and please mention in the comment section. Please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.